Hi guys, what's up? Alright, you might hear some shouting, that's my mother, but today what I'm going to share or actually create is this neumorphic kind of calculator UI. So I'm just gonna make it not only UI but functional because there's so many speed code, but I rather do something functional that I can teach. Right. Got timer. Let's create a new folder. Let's call. Yeah. I am to calculator dot dart. No calculator. Then let's put in calculator underscore view dot dart. Then put a stateless widget that's called calculator view. You know, cause I'm lazy. And let's put material. Okay, now let's do the white one. So I'm gonna use a color picker. Now let me see if I'm able RGB this thing. Is this percentage? No. Okay, save this. So let's pick a color. Let's use this color. 238238. Great. So the color of this material widget, color dot from RGB 0, and then I'll put it over here. So okay, then you can just put it. Yep. Okay, and the opacity will be 1. So one thing that you can document if somebody has this kind of extension is you to put it beside it, so like what is the color. Even though you put it here, it might not be obvious, but once you put it over here, it looks obvious enough. Okay, next thing is we will need some spacing over here. Okay, so I was thinking that in order to have that, I was thinking to use like a flex widget or spacer, so that if it's a smaller kind of what do you call it, phone, right, then this will decrease instead of this. We'll see how it goes, so okay, let's run an actual simulator. So how you guys doing? Hi guys, what's up? How you guys doing? So I'll just like show you how I usually do my tutorials, because nobody asked, but because after this, what I'm going to do, right, if you guys can't see my face, what I'm going to do is to create a tutorial on how to do this. It's a simple, I think it's simple, but I think the cool part is how to make it dark mode and light mode, so there should be a function to do that. Should be on the top right or something, but we'll see how it goes, might. So let's see the iOS simulator. Is it loaded? Okay, so at the same time, Stripe, authorize Apple Pay. Ooh, there's a lot of things that simulator you're able to do, but I'm not gonna do that. So let me enlarge this. So what's your setup when you do development in Flutter or whatsoever? Because for me, what I usually do is this. Okay, then it's enlarged so you guys can see, but usually I have this setup because once I finish coding, I want to see what the exact result is. I think most of us do this. I like to enlarge it to fit the whole thing because it looks nicer. Yep. Okay, so if you go to main.dart, if you don't know what this file is, this is my neumorphic file. My GitHub repo that I always, what do you call that? Update, yes, always update. Okay, so we have the material with this color. So let's run. Cool beans, guys. Okay, let's have our child. Oh, why not we put this? How do I put this color? No. Yeah, this is my kind of documentation. If I don't know what this color means, I need a bigger representation. This is too small for me to reference. So the child, it's a column, obviously. So you can just write the word column and then control space to see the shortcuts. Wow, my computer is loading very long, right? Then you have children. You always have, oh, that's different. So now that has made it that the children just return a list. Okay, cool. Nice, because I think this was redundant. It used to be this where they have the type here, right? But they think this is redundant because, yeah, there's no point on type checking this because obviously children requires a list of widgets we are also accustomed to. So one thing that I can do for now while it's loading is to put spacer, and then you can put a text with, let's put number. Okay, let's put an actual number, 674 1 2 3. I don't know. Then let's have the text. Then let's have the style. Text, theme dot of dot context text theme dot h1. Right. Then we might have some what do you call that? Size box. Okay. Maybe with a height of the how about 70? Just to spice things up. Then at the same time, we can put. It doesn't have anything, so we save this. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So currently the headline or the text theme uses this Google font. So I need to search the fonts of this. So you can go to fonts.google.com because if I inside my Neumorphic repository, it has what do you call that? It has the Google Fonts package. I can't wait for this. Where is that? Google Fonts package to be live on Flutter Web, because that will make my life so much easier. Okay, so I need to find this kind of cool stuff. This style looks great. Yes, Minecraft mods. Thank you. Yeah, so this is thin. So if you go to Google Fonts, if you just type in like 3670, you see the rest. Oh god, no, the rest of it be shown in all of the different styles. So that's one thing that you can try. So that tree has this sharp edge and then this curve. So we are looking for that on this tree. Up, we have this man rope 367. So 6 is a bit curvy, and then the 7 has that edge. Like why am I anal because of this? Is because I'm very anal on. Don't say anal but I care about design. Because not many people care about it. So it is actually Montserrat, right? Now simple enough. Wow, that's pretty cool. So you have all of this 3670. I think we are going to use lights. Okay, so we can import Google Fonts. How do I import Google Fonts? Let me find Google Fonts. Oh, it's capital Google Fonts. So the style we can change Google Fonts, and then you can just import Montserrat. Okay, let's save this. Takes a while because it's a huge library. Yes. Okay, so we want, what's the number? So 3670. 3,670. Save this. Great. Dot copy with then we have the font height. What's the height? You know, font size, sorry. I'm assuming it's 30. No, it's not big enough. It's 50. It's a bit thick. Okay, so at the same time, we want our column to move to the right. So this is the cross-axis alignment. So it's at the end. Then we'll move to the right, yes. Does it have padding in between? Yeah, it does have padding. Column should have padding. They don't have padding. Yep, petition for column to have padding because we need to wrap with the padding. And then I'll usually use symmetric because I'll only put in things as needed, not when it's not. You get it? Yeah. If you hopefully you get it. So symmetric is what symmetric means is that you can specifically use for horizontal or vertical offsets. So I'm using horizontal. So how do I, so something like that, to really see how big is it? Ooh, no. Can this thing, maybe a bit more, maybe 10. Okay, I think this looks okay. So if you want, you can do debug painting and then you could see that the padding is there. So if you see this like neon thingy, this is like safe area that the, what do you call it, the app kind of gives you. But yeah, I mean, yeah, so you got 3670. I mean, at the same time, right, if you guys have known that left swipe is, this is the detection for left swipe, so that's why they have this kind of thing. FYI, this is just my assumption. I don't know if it's true, but yeah. So let's do that. Okay, next thing, spacer text size box of 70. If you see, yeah, it doesn't show the size box because there's no width. Haha, so that's a hack. But if you want to see width, or maybe 100, then you probably can see the size box. But I don't need no width. I don't need no width. So you command save. Oh, okay, it's suddenly lagging. Either way, the next thing is we are going to create those bunch of thingy. So this takes up maybe, let me use my, no, I want to, oh damn it, why, no, okay, this, right. Oh, I'm so confused. This is like maybe 2/3 of the app. So this is 2/3, I'm assuming. Should I put fix? So put a height, create a variable called height. So we will get from the media query dot of context dot size dot height. I should really do a shortcut for this. My height is spelled wrongly. Okay, then so you can do a sized box with the height as height divided by 3 or times 1/3. Oh, and the child will be a placeholder. Right. Okay. Oh no, sorry, 2/3. Does it look like it? Oops, what's this? Make it bigger, make it bigger. I mean, if you guys are designers, right? No, don't. Give me a Figma file or something to reference so I can, do this more accurately. It's way bigger. It's like, whoa. So the size is not even 50, it's 100. No, 130. That's almost that size. 100. It's extra light. So what we can do is to have the font weight. I'm a little bit hungry. The font weight should be light 300. Okay, so then you can put it font weight dot 300. Okay. Why this thing? No, it doesn't. That what? What? I thought Montserrat does that. Hello. I mean, if you click on Montserrat, let's see what kind of font weight they have. Oop. Can I put inside of Montserrat? Oh, I think I can. W300. Right. 300. Fonts file. Wow, that's huge. So I actually can put stuff inside Montserrat. Oh, go. Hello, Montserrat. I need stuff. I need to put stuff inside. It's loading. So I don't have to use copy with, because copy with overrides stuff. So yes. Okay. It looks very close. Does it need to be even lighter? Yes, it does. Great. It looks like exactly, except for the comma here, but yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. All right. So the next thing is we are going to create these buttons. Yes, the buttons. So the buttons, actually, weird thing is that the 0, right, is already pressed. So, yep, no idea what that is. Okay, let me do this, not quickly, but yeah. Okay, maybe not 2/3, but 3/4. Always go down. Is it very close? Yeah, it is. 3/4, maybe not even 3/4, maybe 3/5. Let's do that. Right? Yeah. It's almost there. How about 4/6? 4/6 is 2/3. 5, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7. Go to 5, 7's a bit much. So let's go 4, 7. How about 9? 4, 9? 4, 9, 6, 9, 5, 9. Always go for some odd number. I assume that the height should be a bit higher than. So let me put 100. PDB, but wow, it's so high. So let me put 50. I mean, yeah, it kind of works because this is an empty space. So if you move it down, then yeah. Okay, so we have the placeholder that's present now. Okay, placeholder is like a flex, if I'm not wrong, right? Stylus widget, it just occupies everything. Limited box creates a box that limits size only when it's unconstrained. Yeah, that makes sense. So it's not constrained at all. Placeholder painter. Yep, simple. Simple. Okay, anyway, I need to create a button. So let me call stateless. Call calculator button. So each button has its own like different stuff. Oh, maybe I should try a new state management, like MobX. Ew. Well, we'll see about it. We'll see about it. Okay, so I have the button widgets. Where is it? It's not on the start page. Pie expenses bar timer. It's inside the timer. So you have like a hamburger button, like a normal button that you need. Yep. So you can just copy this whole thing. Copy paste. That's not clean code. Yes, it's not, sir. It's not. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Eh? How is it able to? Oh. So. That's not exactly. Yep. Animated container milliseconds. I think this is too slow, so I'm gonna put 100 seconds. So you got on pointer up. So what does on pointer up do? Sir, what does on pointer up do? Oh, this. Yep. Yup. Can I make this into expression? Yes. Cool. I mean, it's still error. Haha. Oh. On pointer down event. Cool. I don't need this. Nope. Okay, so we need to put in text. I guess so, text, right? What do you call this? Operators, text, yes. Fricate, let's call it text. So string, the input text. Alright. And we gotta do this. Put in blur offset. Block shadow, box shadow. If it's press false true false. Let's make this into expression so it's easier. Yep. False true false is press. Box shadow is yep. There's no box shadow. Technically we can just put this inside a variable. It looks a little bit ugly, you know, and then we can just put shadow. So it looks cleaner. Yep. Should put yep. It's kinda yep. It's kinda yep. Yuppity yup. Is press or no. We shouldn't say like that. Yikes, no. We should call it show shadow. Yes, it's pressed, nothing happens. If not, show shadow. Yes, nice. Looks nice. Returns a list of box. Cool. There was only like a widget that, yeah. You have no idea what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put the text inside this word reset, resultat, that. Is this stateful? Damn it. So you got widget.text. Text headline, no. It has to fit the size of everything. So new reset button, okay. So you actually can rename the symbol from here. And we call Q later button. Oh, yes. How dumb am I? Let's reset. Oh, sorry. Rename the symbol. So call Q later button. Okay. All right. So so in this sized box, or you could say container, the child will be a lot of things. So I mean, you can do either way. What you can do is you have a bunch of, it is a column, yeah. So since everything is in a column, it's just nice to have just a row of buttons, row of buttons, row of buttons, row of buttons, and row of buttons. Right. So you just put a row. And size box, child. Let me think. Because I was thinking in this size box, just put inside another column so we can but let's see, let's not do that, and let's just put 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, perfect. So we just need a height of 1, 9 for each row. Right. Okay, but we'll see lah. Okay, so then we have children. Sorry. So this text must be compulsory lah. It must required. Yep. I'm assuming there isn't, because buttons, right? To be even more flexible, you will put the child of the button to be a widget. So you can put like an icon or what. But let's assume there's only text, right? So yeah. So you got a row of children, and then what you're gonna do is like that. So I'm really hungry. Yikes. New reset button. This is the one that I want. No, I want the hamburger one. I know I'm talking about food, but I'm talking about the hamburger button that I've created earlier. Inside my neumorphic neumorphic no. Oh my god, I can't even think. Neumorphic new hamburger button. So this is the one. And box decoration. Is there the word circle? Yes, that's the box shaped circle, because our buttons are all circles, so we have to put that inside the animated container. Maybe inside decoration. Yes, inside decoration. I knew that. The height is not 73, maybe it's like 20 or something. Then I think that's about it. The border radius, and the color, Okay, let's see. So I can just remove this. Yeah, I mean, I just comment this out. What? no, it's a string, right? A/c is equal to null is not true. So my border radius. Oh, because circle don't need this. True that. True. That's smart. Yikes is at the bottom. Let's now put spacer first and see how it looks like. Okay, it's still that. Oh, it's so small. So we need to. Why is it so small? What's the color for this? Let me put a nicer color. Dark green. Wow, it's so small. I'm confused. So I guess I think I kind of get it. The height is 20. It's so small. How if I don't put height? Right. So it doesn't have anything. So if I press, should be immediately. So let me put 50 seconds. 50 milliseconds. Yeah, so you could see that very faint kind of, thing. But yeah, that's it. Oops, sorry. Oop. Neumorphic. Wow. Yep. So it should actually have the color of this. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here. So it looks kind of neumorphic enough, right? Yep. Yata. I'm sleepy and hungry. Shit. Not a good combination. Okay. So I'm gonna end this live stream for now because I'm sleepy and hungry. This style looks great. Let's reply Minecraft mode. Thanks. Alright, so see you guys in the next live stream. This is very fast. So bye bye. Gonna eat.